Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the full 2025 guide on how to use Trello's card custom fields for enhanced task detailing. First up, go to the board where you want to add custom fields. Click on the Show Menu option on the right-hand side and then click on More. From there, select Power-Ups. Now in the search bar, type Custom Fields and click on Add. The reason we do this is to enable the custom fields power-up, which is necessary for creating detailed tasks. Now that we've done that, let's proceed to the next step. Click on a card to open it, and then click on the Custom Fields button on the right side. Here, you can add the details you want. This could be the task's priority level, due date, or the person responsible for it. This helps us because it allows us to add specific details to our tasks, enhancing our organization and productivity. Next up, let's customize these fields even further. When you click on Add a Custom Field, you will be presented with several options. You can choose between text, number, checkbox, date, or a drop-down list. Let's say you choose the drop-down list. Here you can add specific options that are relevant to your task. The reason we do this is to customize our tasks to suit our specific needs better. Once you've added all necessary details, it's time to save. Click on the Save button to preserve your custom fields. Let me explain why this matters. If you don't save, all your hard work will be lost. The last step is to repeat this process for all the tasks on your Trello board. By doing this, you'll have a board that is detailed, organized, and customized to your preference. And that's it. You now know how to use Trello's card custom fields for enhanced task detailing. It's an incredibly useful tool that can transform the way you manage and view your tasks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.